Hello everybody, and today on my channel we are going to be playing Release Cream Cafe 6, it looks like. So there's not much to say apart from just jump into it. I'm not sure what this game is at all. I haven't played it much. Well, I haven't played it at all. I got it by... Oh, how did I get it? That's how I got it. I got it by logging onto Roblox, and it said an epic game is waiting for you. But I don't think many of these games are epic. Oh, I'm Jaff 312456. I'm younger than 30. What's this? What's this? I'm not sure. Whoa. Become a hacker. I got a quest. What is your quest? Turn on. What is it? Oh, I got a cleaner alert. I don't. No. What's up here? I don't think. So lobby. Hey, how did I die? Why'd you kill me? Game, what is you doing? I'm trying to get up here. Oh, come on. I don't exactly like this game. I'm gonna change this. Become a manager, become staff. Rainbow nickname. Well, I can't have any of them. Just gonna log off. Okay, I'm leaving what I've left. And we're going to play... I'm trying to think of a game. Or maybe we could just do a try not to laugh challenge. Actually, I'll do that. Try not to laugh challenge. Try not to laugh clean, there's no swearing. You can watch it. I'm doing the impossible version. And I will count my laughs in my head. If you want to count, you can count along. I'm going to try really hard not to laugh. Here we go. I've seen this. It's weird. It looks like a pig. Good job. Oh, I've seen this one as well.